This is Steve Frischman, Magneceutical Health. I'm here with Kathleen at the FCA conference in Orlando. Kathleen, you're an MRI technician, correct?
Correct.
Okay. You want to use the Magnus, you just finished your first session.
Yes.
What made you want to come here?
I heard from Michelle to come on down because it helped her with her breathing. I have COPD and have had trouble with my expiration for years. I haven't been able to blow out a candle. After one session, I can take it in and blow it out, and I'm not coughing. It is unreal.
You have this stunned look on your face.
I'm just amazed. Really amazed.
Yeah?
Very happy. I can't wait to tell my kids.
How long has it been since you've been able to do that?
13 years.
Are you kidding me?
No, not at all.
That I didn't know before you got in.
No, it's been 13 years.
You have not been able to exhale like that?
Like, take it in without coughing for 13 years.
Congratulations.
It's amazing.
Thank you for coming by and giving this a shot.
Thank you.